spaghetti is ready to eat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Let me introduce ourselves.
Hello, I'm Raina.
And I'm Aglastya, and we are from 11 Science 5.
Now we will tell you about the procedure text.
What is the procedure text?
The procedure text is a text that explains or help us to make or use something.
There are three generic structures in the procedure text. The first is goals and purpose. The second is materials and tools. The third and the last is steps or methods.
Besides that, we will make the spaghetti bolognese.
How to make spaghetti bolognese? First, prepare the saucepan with 105,000 ml of water, and then add a pinch teaspoon of salt, and then 1 tablespoon olive oil. After the water boiling, add the spaghettis and wait until it expands. Stir the spaghetti. Prepare a frying pan. Heat the butter until melt away. Then cook the onion in it on medium heat till onion well browned. Add the sausage to the pan. Stir continuously on the middle flame till well browned through. Add bolognese sauce and cook over medium heat until the sauce thickness. Last, plate the spaghetti and bolognese sauce on the plate. Spaghetti is ready to eat.